Good morning. So we're here at Lands End Trail. We found a parking spot at 916 El Camino. It says 4-hour parking, so we're not sure if that's going to be enforced, but it's very close to the trail. It's right across that way. So it's not a far walk. See you soon. Alright, so we arrived at Lands End Trail. I guess we could have parked here, but there wasn't a parking spot sign. So we decided to park all the way at the top. So anyways. So let me show you the map. So we are at Eagles Point Overlook. Okay, so here it tells you Coastal Trail. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. At least it's not foggy this morning, right? Because yeah, it's nice. The water must be freezing. Oh my gosh. What's up, buddy? He knows the way. Yeah. So there's a lookout, Lands End Lookout. I think that's a visitor center. We're pretty much almost done. Very easy trail, just a lot of steps going up and down. I think, but overall, it has great views. This is the Pacific, and this is the Sutro baths. What is that? What's the Sutro baths?
That thing.
Do you bathe in it?
No.
Oh.
No, I'm sure they used to do. Maybe they did bathe.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I've seen people do that.
Yeah, we should go. There's no one there.
All right, let's go. So we're going to Sutro bath.
To take a bath.
To take a bath. So we're at Sutro Bath viewpoint. It took us about an hour to get here from Eagles Point. There's nobody here. It's currently Friday, 8:30. So now we're just gonna go down there to look at it farther. Ew, it smells like sewage. So it doesn't smell too good. It's a lot of mosquitoes or something. Ugh. Do not fall down here. That will be awful. That is a cave.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go check out the cave. Ooh, it's so dark. Oh, this is an actual tunnel. Can we go the way? I think so. Oh my gosh, you can hear the waves! Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Whew. It feels like it feels that! Wow. I love it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You cannot go any further. But that was pretty cool.
That was pretty far. Yeah, it's dangerous on it.
Alright, let's go back. I'm scared. Scary. It's a very cool experience though.
Yeah.
Back to the Eagles Point. We could have parked here. There's probably like a few spots. Oh yeah, there's a restroom here?
The restroom's over there. So you're here. Restroom's right over here.
Okay, China Beach? How far is that?
Oh my god, you're right.
Or we can go to the lands and Lookout, which we wear.
We could park there?
We could park here and go to the restroom.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do
That sounds a better idea.
Yeah. Alright, we see people park on the street. It doesn't say parking, but I guess you can park here. We didn't know that, so we went up the valley here. Which is probably like 5-minute walk. But this is way better. So take advantage of that. I'm gonna pin the location on the description below so you guys know where to park. So if you didn't want to park at the Eagles Point, you could park at Lands and Lookout. The parking lot here is quite big. It's currently what, 9:30, and the parking lot is probably half full. It's not too bad. And from there you can go to Sutro baths. Restrooms close at 5. Oh, okay. Whew, we're safe. So the restrooms were closed at 5:30. After 5:30 p.m. on the weekdays. We're Visitor Center Restrooms Cafe. Ooh, there's food. It's always good to know. What? Oh no! No, no, no!
No!
Ah!
Oh no, this is not good.
Why is it closed?
Because children.
Cafe is temporarily closed. There's water. There's a water supply here. But I don't need water. Porta potties, upper parking lot.
Where?
There.
Oh no.
No. Look what I found. That's cute. Sutro bath. So we were over here, I think. And then we did all of that. We're finished at a Land's End trail. It took us about 2 hours to 2 hours and a half. We did stop to take some pictures, videos. We stopped at Eagles Point parking spot. It's free, no entrance fee as well. There were restrooms around, but we had to walk. So we decided to go to Land's End Lookout. The visitor center, there's supposed to be restrooms there. Overall, I loved it. I loved the cave, and there were some beautiful views and very easy. There were some stairs you have to go up and down, but overall very easy on your body. I will highly recommend if you're in the area. Next we're going to oh, something about tamales. We'll let you know where that goes. Bye.